Here's a stunning aerial of the Azores Islands. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we explore the stunning landscapes and unique experiences that await you in this breathtaking corner of Europe. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe for more incredible travel content. Also, stick around until the end to discover a special gift I have for you. Hidden in the Atlantic, the Azores are Europe's secret paradise. But what wonders await here? Let's find out. Here's a quick map of where exactly the Azores are located. The islands are a cluster of 9 unique and enchanting islands, with each offering its own charm and attractions. First up, let's explore the awe-inspiring volcanic landscapes that define the Azores. From the dramatic craters of Setesades to the mystical blue and green lakes of Lagoa do Fogo, the island's volcanic origins are on full display here. Imagine standing at the edge of a crater lake, gazing into its depths, or hiking through otherworldly landscapes that seem straight out of a science fiction movie. Don't miss the chance to experience these unique natural wonders. And here's a closer look at those beautiful twin lakes. The legend says that the lakes were formed by the tears of a giant who fell in love with a mortal. I'm sure you can see how this legend could have been born from these majestic waters. Now let's cut to a scene at Lagoa do Fogo. The water is so pristine it looks untouched. As we continue our journey, we'll discover why the Azores are known as the sanctuary of the Atlantic. Get ready to witness incredible marine life, including majestic whales and dolphins playing in the surrounding waters. Imagine going on a whale watching tour and being mesmerized by these gentle giants breaching the surface or swimming alongside dolphins in their natural habitat. It's truly a humbling experience. Plus, don't forget to explore the crystal clear waters and diverse marine reserves teeming with colorful fish and other fascinating sea creatures. Next, we'll immerse ourselves in the local culture and traditions of the Azores. Stroll through the charming villages and towns, each offering a unique blend of history, culture, and warm hospitality. Picture yourself walking along cozy cobblestone streets lined with traditional houses adorned with flowers. Explore the vibrant markets where you can sample fresh local produce and crafts. And don't miss the chance to experience the lively festivals and events that celebrate the island's rich cultural heritage. I can practically feel the rhythm of the music and taste the delicious food. But the adventure doesn't stop there. The Azores offer a wide range of activities for thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Embark on a hiking adventure through lush trails and discover hidden waterfalls and viewpoints. Or challenge yourself by conquering the highest peak of the archipelago, Pico Mountain, which, by the way, is an active volcano. Imagine standing at the summit and feeling like you're on top of the world. Just be careful if you plan on climbing it, because it's not for the faint of heart. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the hidden beaches that await you in the Azores. From the unique black sand beaches created by volcanic activity to secluded coves perfect for swimming or sunbathing, these hidden gems offer tranquility and natural beauty. Imagine relaxing on a beach that's away from the crowds, listening to the sound of the waves and feeling the soft sand between your toes. It's pure bliss. And for those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the Azores have a special treat in store. Discover the natural thermal pools scattered across the islands, offering a perfect blend of adventure and tranquility. Picture yourself soaking in a hot spring surrounded by lush vegetation and enjoying panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean. It's the ultimate way to unwind and rejuvenate. It's hard to believe that such a place exists in Europe. The Azores are truly a hidden gem waiting to be explored. The combination of stunning landscapes, unique experiences, and warm hospitality makes it a must-visit destination. Before we go, let's take a quick moment to recap the wonders we've uncovered together. From the mesmerizing volcanic landscapes and incredible marine life to the charming local culture and relaxing thermal pools, the Azores have it all. We've explored the mystical Blue Lake, the sanctuary of the Atlantic, traditional villages, hiking trails, and even hidden beaches. Now it's time for you to embark on your own adventure. The Azores remain one of Europe's last hidden gems waiting to be discovered. So, will you uncover their secrets? Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the Azores. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And for more amazing travel content, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious. Safe travels. Bye.